When we are dealing with any programming language, of course, we can work it on the very preliminary tools like on the command window, command prompt we can work on by typing. But it needs a lot of understanding and needs the user to remember all the code and makes the life almost miserable. In order to simplify the work of the programmer, the integrated development tools are developed for all the languages used. So these tools will make the things simpler, like these tools will allow typing the code, will allow checking the syntax, will allow the compiling and all such things. At the same time, it also allows, when it comes to big data and all, it also allows to capture big data and then will be uh, made possible to view the data and see the results. All these are possible through these IDE tools. Most commonly, when it comes to big data, the language, the computer language or programming language that comes to mind is Python. Then we have R, then many other languages to come. The IDE tools, when it comes to working with any programming language, one of the commonly used tool is Anaconda. It works for all the Python related coding, the Python and its related packages, everything are made available through the Anaconda environment. R is another programming language mainly useful for statistical analysis when we are dealing with a big amount of data. So working with R on the terminal or command prompt is possible, but again it's tedious to remember each and every aspect of R programming and then compiling and everything. So instead of that, it would be better if we use the R Studio. That's a integrated development environment tool for R, mainly defined for R, but many programming languages it can work with. So another important IDE tool is R Studio. Then when it comes to machine learning, artificial intelligence, big data and all, then PyCharm is another favorite of the programmers or the data scientist, data analyst, because it provides ready-made tools that will ease the programming or coding of the work. So we can make use of PyCharm. Jupyter is another environment which is usually web-based, and it serves for R, Python, and similar things. So very much useful when we are working on any Python programming. So the advantage of using Jupyter Lightning is you don't need to install anything. It's already with the Jupyter. It's a web-based, and hence most of the things you don't need to install on your machine, so can be taken care indirectly. Now there is another strong environment like BeakerX, which is mainly designed for big data, machine learning, and so the many such things are there. So we need to look at all these IDE tools. So we look at all these tools in detail in our coming sessions. So please keep watching. Thank you.